Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows 11 freezing randomly. Chapter 1. How to fix Windows 11 freezing randomly, freeing up disk space. To start, enter disk in the search box. Click on Disk Cleanup and then select Drive C. Click OK. When the elements are loaded, you will check the desired boxes. Click OK and then confirm this by clicking Delete Files. Chapter 2. How to fix Windows 11 freezing randomly defragmenting disk. To begin, enter defrag in the search box, open the utility. Now click Optimize to start analyzing the disk and subsequent defragmentation. Wait for this process to come to an end. Chapter 3. How to fix Windows 11 freezing randomly from terminal. To start, right-click on the Start menu and click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes to access. First, repair the operating system image with the on-screen command. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Wait for this process to finish. After this, scan the file system with the command sfc/scannnow. Press Enter. You must wait for this file system scan to complete. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.